Theory of education Plato. 427–347 BC, real name, Aristocles. Plato was a Greek philosopher born in Athens during the classical period in ancient Greece. He founded the Platonist school of thought in the Academy, the first institution of higher learning in the Western world. Theory of education, Plato, one of the Greek philosopher, in his book The Republic, say that ideal state could be achieved if justice is the basis of state. Justice can be realized through education and communism. According to Barker, an attempt to cure mental malady by mental medicine. Plato trusts that most of the evils in the society can be removed by providing education, and he asserted that it is a spiritual medicine. Plato gives significance to education and connected to his ideal state, and gave prominence to his second book of Republic. Plato believed that knowledge is virtue and it is the duty of state to provide knowledge. Plato disliked the Athenian system of education, which was compulsory but privately managed. He liked Spartan system of education, which was state-regulated. His education system is both intellectual and physical. Features of Platonic system of education. The important characteristics of Platonic or spiritual education are hereunder. 1. Plato did not accept the barring of women from education on the Athenian system. Both men and women must be given education. 2. It aimed at attaining the physical, moral, mental and intellectual development of human personality. 3. Plato was the first person to formulate a university course and suggested for state control of education system. 4. Plato provided education for the guardian class only. 5. The important aspect of his education was to prepare the philosopher king. Education and curriculum. He divided his scheme of education into elementary and higher stages. Education as given below. 1. Elementary education, early childhood up to 20 years, first stage, the first stage from birth to the age of 6 years. During this stage both boys and girls were to be given education of languages. The children were to be given basic education on religion. Second stage, the second stage from 6 to 18 years, and child should be given education on music and gymnastics. The music would give necessary development of soul and gymnastics would provide growth of body. Third stage, the third stage was prolonged from 18 to 20 years, both of them must be given military education during this stage. 2. Higher stages, the stage of higher education starts from 20 to 35 years. Higher education again can be divided into two substages. First stage, the first ranging from 20 to 30 years. In the first stage subjects like mathematics, astronomy, logics and other sciences, and said that geometry must be taught. Second stage, during the second stage stress must be given to dialectics, and this stage of education is required for the production of philosopher king.